Hi guys, so this is going to be my unboxing of my brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max, ordered on the initial pre-order date through the Apple App Store. And this is really going to show what it's like to get it on the day it releases. You can see it's got that nice tight seal from the factory or from the shipping location, and when you get the box, it's really small, really compact here in another box. So you can toss that other box to the side. So I selected the Pro Max white titanium with 256 gigabytes, and yeah, so here is the iPhone. So next will be to unbox this iPhone. As you unpeel this here, and boom, just like that, the seal is partially broken. The next seal to get my new phone, boom, then you turn it over, and the moment of truth, the brand new spanking new iPhone. Wow, look at that. So really nice.